Սրբոց նահատակած Ֆերահյան ազգային վարժանից փացման արիթով հանուն թեմիս բարեխնամ առաջնորդ Փարսաշնոր Դեր Մուշեղ Սրբազան arczepiskopos Martirosյանի բարիերթ կմաղթենք բոլորիդ ուսուցչական գազմ, դնորենություն, աշակերտներ, ծնողներ, ուսումնական մարմին եւ հայ դպրոցի նվիրյալներ, որբեսի 2020-2021 ուսումնական դարեշրջանը ըլլա Աստուծո օրդությամբ լեցուն, հաջող, արդյունաշատ եւ մանավանդ առողջ դարիմը, հաջողություն բոլորիդ։
Արժանապատիվ Դեր Ռազմիկ ավագ քահանա Խաչատուրյան, արգելի դնորենություն, ուսուցչագազմ, ծնողներ եւ շատ սիրելի աշակերտներ։ Բարի վերամուտ ձեր բոլորին։ Բարի եկած եք 2020-21 տարեշրջանին։ Մեր նոր աշակերտներուն, 6-րդներուն բարի կալուստ կմաղթեմ, առավել 27 նոր ուրիշ աշակերտներ, որ եկած են եւ մեր ընտանիքին մաս կկազմեն հիմա բարի կալուստ կմաղթեմ ձեր բոլորին։ I would also like to welcome all our faculty and staff, including our new members, Ms. Kimberly Brady, who will be teaching English and AP English, and Ms. Mirna Kasamanyan, who will be teaching Armenian to middle school. Welcome to the Ferahian family. Seniors, wow, I can't believe you guys are seniors already. Congratulations. I'm so happy that you guys have made it to this point, and I have no doubt that you guys are gonna shine no matter how school progresses. We're hoping that things will change and you will get to experience your senior year the way you all deserve to experience it. Our theme for the school year is Ferahian Got Heart. What does that mean? Heart, H-E-A-R-T. H stands for hard work, E stands for excellence, A stands for attitude, R stands for respect, and T stands for teamwork. Ferahian really has heart. I want to go over some of the rules. Mikani օրենք ներգուզեմ ցեզի տեղեկություն տալ, որ բոլորը դա գիտնան ինչպես պետք է դպրոցը ընթանա եւ Zoom session-ները կամ virtual դպրոցը ինչպես ընթացք պիտի ունենա. Everything will go very smoothly if you follow some of these rules and guidelines. Same rules apply as the school's handbook. Make sure you guys read that and familiarize yourself with that. Some online etiquette, and these are very important things that we really need to stress, all of you, to make sure you follow through with. Be on time. Just because you're not driving or coming to school, it doesn't mean you aren't going to be in class on time. Wake up early. Maybe log in a few minutes before class starts just to be prepared. Find a quiet place in the home. We don't want you working out of your bed. I want everybody out of bed, ready for class, just like as if you were coming to school. Get out of bed, get ready, do your hair, change your clothes, no PJs, and go to your location where you will be working in a quiet area in the home and start working from there. Be prepared. Have all your Zoom codes handy, computer charged, camera on at all times. Use headphones when you need to. We do have some families who have multiple siblings and they might all be working in close proximity. So make sure you all have your headphones so that you're not disrupted by your siblings. Again, wear appropriate clothing, sit up straight and be in the camera's view. I don't want to see anyone in pajamas. If you want, you can also get dressed in your school uniform. That would be nice. We want everyone to mute yourselves during the class unless a teacher has asked you to unmute yourself. We don't want to have side conversations. We don't want to be interrupted. So make sure that you're muting yourself. Participation, be focused, be attentive, be active participants. When called on, you should be answering the teacher. So make sure that you don't turn on your Zoom, go back to bed, and not worry about what's going on in the classroom. That's why we want all cameras on at all times. You need to be in front of the camera. You need to be attentive and listening in class. Chat responsibly. Raise your hand either on camera or use the Zoom features. You all know how to do that. And in the chat, if you want to use the chat feature, make sure you type your questions there. And again, no side conversations during class. You'll have time for that. And we do want to allow that time for you guys to socialize and communicate, but don't take away from others' learning time, please. One of my key things that all of my students know by now, because I say this every year, my number one priority and my number one demand of you is that you show respect to everyone. If you want to be respected, you have to show respect. And you know what? I have to say, all our students are very, very respectful. We just need to remember to be respectful with each other as well. For the parents, school is physically open on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 9 o'clock to 3 p.m. We'd like to eliminate as much foot traffic as possible. So if you need to drop off a check, we have a mailbox right next to the security booth. You can drop off the check there. You can always call in for credit card payments. And if it's cash payments, then you do need to bring it in. But we'd like to eliminate as much foot traffic in the office as possible. So if you could please adhere to those guidelines. Students, I don't know how much I need to stress this, and I'm sure Baronara stresses it as much. Make a habit of checking your emails periodically, daily, throughout the day, numerous times, because that is our form of communication. We're not going to sit there and call you on the phone. Our form of communication with your teachers, with the administration is going to be through your emails. So you need to be responsible to check your emails periodically throughout the day. Don't rely on your parents telling you to check it. You need to take that responsibility. Remember, most of you have been home during the summer, and I can just bet that you have learned at least 10 TikTok dances throughout the summer. If you can learn all that, you can do the Zoom sessions and learn online. So this is my challenge to you. I want to see great things happen throughout the school year. We are hoping, again, I'm praying and hoping that we will be in session sooner rather than later, where we welcome everyone physically to the campus and enjoy each other throughout the year and experience all of the wonderful things that Ferayan has to offer. Meanwhile, I have no doubt that the teachers are going to make their classes great for you guys. They're going to be enjoyable, and hopefully we will see each other sooner rather than later. Parents, we will be sending an email shortly about back to school night, where we will go over some of the details with you about how the school will progress, and you get to go into your kids' classrooms, Google Classroom, Zoom classrooms, and hear what the teachers have planned for the school year. So with that said, where is the best place to be? Ferayan is still the best place to be. Don't forget that, and have a great school year. Thank you, everyone. And now I'd like to invite Dr. Harut Magardician. He's one of the panelists. He's going to be talking to you about some social emotional things that you can do, so it makes it easier for you to be doing your Zoom classes. Dr. Harut?
Բարև բոլորիդ, Բարիքալուստ կմաղթեմ նախ բոլորին համար։ So this is something new for us all. Therefore, we're all somewhat concerned about the uncertainty and thinking how this situation will unfold, which causes more stress. So I will periodically visit your classrooms and talk about our daily stressors in a casual setting where everybody is allowed to express their feelings and thoughts. I will be available to meet with you individually upon your request, of course. Please don't hesitate to contact me. Միշտ պատրաստ եմ ընդունելու որևէ մեկը խոսելու, որովհետև բոլորս ալ գիտենք, որ այս կացությունը մեր բոլորին համար ծանր է։ Բոլորս զգացականորեն դժվարություններ կունենանք լադիգա ընկերային, նույնիսկ դպրոցի ծիրեններս հասնել զումի վրա հետևիլ եւ այլն եւ այլն։ Հետևաբար պիտի խնդրեմ, որ բոլորս միասին բնավ չմտածեք, ըլլան անոնք ծնող կամ աշակերտ։ So միշտ հոնեմ, միշտ ցեզի համար պատրաստ եմ ովևէ հարցով խոսելու եւ առաջ ընթանալու։ So as a counselor, my objective will be to help you and offer the support you need to have an optimal experience at school. I will help you identify and address personal challenges to integrate with your surroundings and plan for academic and personal success. To achieve this, we will work together and help each other. After all, we belong to the same family, the Ferahian family. So again, welcome to a new school year. I wish you all good luck and most importantly, patience. Համբերադարությունը լավ բան է, պիտի համբերենք, իրարու հարգենք, պիտի խոսենք ասպաներում մասին դարվա ընթացքին եւ փորձենք մեր լավագույնը դալ, ինչպես ասի քիչ առաջ, միշտ պատրաստ։ Շնորհակալություն։
Okay. Նորեն Փարի վերամուտ բոլորիդ, ուսամ բոլորը Փարի դարի գունենակ աղոթող ենք, որ Աստված Փարի դարի մբարգեւե բոլորիս համար եւ 15 վարյան ունիք մինչեւ հաջորդ հասարանիդ, ուսամ բոլորդ արդեն գիտեք ձեր Zoom կոդերը, արդեն գիտեք ուր պիտի երթակ առաջին հասարանը, հերացայինները սկսած են office-ը, so կարծեմ դագավին ունին աշակերտներ, որ չեն գիտեր ուր պիտի լան, anyways, եթե պետք ունիք օգնություն, գրնակ հերացայնել, գրնակ email անել։ Նորեն կշեշտեմ, նախ կացեք ձեր vision-ը, որ ձեր schedule-ը ունենաք։ Vision-ն մեմը, որ ձեր schedule-ը ունենաք, գիտեք առաջին բահի ինչ է, երկրորդ բահի ինչ է, անոր համեմատ կերթակ ձեր Google Classroom-ին, Google Classroom-ի մեջը արդեն ձեր Zoom կոդերը կան։ Zoom coding վրա երբ որ կսեղմեք, the only way you can log into a classroom is with your Ferahian email. So if you go through the Zoom and log in with your Ferahian email, you should have no problems. Parents, you are probably not going to be able to go into Zoom because it's restricted to Ferahian email only. Ինչպես որ հայտարարեցինք սկիզբը։ Ուրեմն Փարի վերամուտ, Փարի դարի բոլորիդ, enjoy your first day of school. Bye-bye.